Hi everyone, this is Magali from Daily French Lesson. Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to ask a question in French from being very polite to very familiar. I am going to use the example, "Are you going to work today?" to show you the 3 structures. The first one, you might already know it, is the inversion way. The structure is verb, subject, and then object. I'm going to use the structure using tu. Vas-tu au travail aujourd'hui? With vous, allez-vous au travail aujourd'hui? This way of asking a question is pretty polite. We don't necessarily use it in the everyday French when we're talking to friends, to family, or even professionals. You might find it in books and maybe hear it sometimes, but this is not the most used. The second one is the est-ce que, qu'est-ce que question. If you need help with this one, I made another video that will be linked in the description. The structure of this one will be the question word, the subject, the verb, and the object. You can make this question pretty polite or pretty casual or even pretty familiar. It depends on if you are using vous or tu. This question with the example is with tu. Est-ce que tu vas au travail aujourd'hui? Est-ce que vous allez au travail aujourd'hui? With vous. The third one is the statement with the intonation going up at the end. This one is pretty casual, familiar, but you can make it as polite as you want if you are using vous. The structure of this question is the subject, the verb, the object, and the intonation going up at the end of the object word. With the example, it's gonna be with tu. Tu vas au travail aujourd'hui? Vous allez au travail aujourd'hui? With vous. These 3 ways are pretty easy, especially if you follow the structure. If you are not familiar yet with one specific way, other than the inversion, I suggest you that you pick the second or the third, whatever makes you feel comfortable, and try to practice it with different examples and see how easy it is to say it. You can also listen to, movies, podcasts, read Instagram posts and whatever, and see what people are using and how they are using it, so you can get more familiar with this way of asking questions. Remember that you can be very polite if you are using vous. You can be casual or familiar using tu. If you need help with when to use vous and tu, I also have a video that I will link in the description. And I also have another video using different question words such as when, who, where, and all of this, also in the description. I hope this video will help you and that it will be easier for you to ask questions in French. You can comment with an example and I will correct it if needed. I'll see you later. Bye!